579 KDP cover. These templates also come with the resource file that is editable. There are over 500. What you can get next is 39 KDP interior. These are the bundles for coloring book pages. 35 patterns KDP vector designs. You can use this design to create beautiful covers for your low and no content books. Hi everyone, this is Soha Malik. In today's video I am very excited to share with you an amazing resource for your low and no content books. A very good resource that you can use to scale or jumpstart your KDP business. This is special page design for my audience. KDP is Interior's exclusive graphic deal page here. This gives you access to purchase a special new plan for KDP sellers, that is exclusive KDP plan, and it is right now 35% off for next 5 days. September 2 to September 6 it would be 35% off, and you will get with this new plan. There are two plans basically. Annual KDP plan 25% off, that is basically $168, but during the launch period you will get it for $126. This will give you 50 downloads per month and one design request. If you don't find any design on Vexcel.com, you can request and get your design created for you by professional designers at Vexcels.com. The next is the main plan we are talking about today. This is new annual KDP Plus limited time offer, 35% off. For a whole year you can get access to $148. That accounts for around $12.5 or $12 per month. That is way cheaper. Okay, if you get it annually, what you get in this KDP Plus plan, you will get 125 downloads per month. Every single month you will get 125 downloads, and you can request 2 special exclusive designs requests per month. If you don't find any design on Vexcels.com, then you contact them and get your design created for you. So this is the launch from September 2 today to September 6th, and during these 5 days you can get this 35% discount on this exclusive bundle, that is $148 per year. That comes close to $12 per month. And this, if you don't want this, you can subscribe to this one. This is $126 annually. What is the difference? With this plan you get 75 more downloads and per month, every single month, and 2 design requests instead of 1 design request. This gives you 50 downloads per month, and this gives you 125 downloads per month. Now the amazing thing is this: with this KDP Plus plan, annual plan, you will have access to a special bundle. This special bundle will be emailed to you. I will show you in a minute what you will get inside this bundle. With this Plus plan you will get 35% off during the launch period. If you couldn't get during launch period, then you will have to pay $228 per year. I will leave the link in the description below. So the bundle you will get with this launch KDP Plus plan includes pattern generator. It will have access to pattern generator, KDP interior templates, hundreds of assets like frames, swirls and more, and a special Halloween resources. So I have downloaded this bundle for you guys, and I am going to show you what is included. This is the KDP bundle that is only available to KDP Plus plan and will be emailed to you. So this includes Halloween bundles. You can see here these are the PNGs here, and you can also get the SVG here as well for editing purposes. So next will be KDP interior templates. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different type of interiors. Graph paper template 4x4, dotted grid paper, medium ruled paper template, wide ruled paper template. Here is KDP scalable KDPs. These are the cover templates. This also include the PSD files, editable PSD files as well. So there are different types of PSD files and JPEGs. You can see here KDP Halloween, KDP flowers, if you want to create a floral cover, and here is the KDP flowers and different types of scalable KDP cover templates. So next in the bundle is scalable pattern. This is the PSD. You can edit this PSD inside any design software or Photoshop or Affinity Photo or Affinity Designer or any Inkscape. These are the swirl bundle. it also includes PNGs, these kind of PNGs, and you can use these to create the first pages of your books or any frames and swords are here. Okay, so this is a bonus bundle that is only available to if you subscribe to KDP Plus annual plan. Thanks. So you will also have access to tools like mockup generator, t-shirt maker, logo maker. What you will get is here. Now look at detail. 579 KDP cover templates. These are ready-made cover templates for you. You can not use these as it because it will create a duplication. So better choices, you can download these and you will have access to editable resource files. Actually, I have downloaded some cover designs like this. You can see a tracing book for kids, and this is a PDF file and it comes with 3 to 4 different sizes. This is 8.5 into 11, 6 into 9 and 5 into 8 and 8 into 10. There are 4 different sizes and you can edit these PDF files inside a design software like Affinity Designer and you can modify it. So these are professionally designed KDP covers, and here I will show you another one. Okay, this is another KDP cover. You can open in any design software and edit as to your likings. So here, this is here. Okay, you will get access to this resource, that is 579 KDP covers, if you have annual or monthly plan. Next, you will get access to 39 interior. These are the coloring book bundles, 39 bundles. Each bundle have 30 to 50 coloring pages, and these are very high quality and professionally designed coloring page bundles here. You can see here. Okay, next you will get access to 35 patterns. These are very beautiful patterns, and you can use them to create your covers for your no content books or low content books. If you are interested in a monthly plan, also available is brand new plan for KDP sellers on monthly basis. There are 2 types of plan. Monthly KDP, it will be $14 per month and it will give you access to 50 downloads per month and 1 design request. There is new monthly KDP Plus and it will be $19 per month. It will give you 125 downloads per month, 2 design requests. If you use these plans, you can also have access to these resources like KDP covers, KDP coloring book bundles and KDP patterns.